पर्येतील भूमिकास देवस्थानाच्या मंडपात सोमवारी संध्याकाळी काँग्रेसने कार्यकर्ता मेळावा घेतला। या मेळाव्यात आमदार विश्वजित राणे भाषण देण्यासाठी उभे राहिले असता दगडफेक झाली। या प्रकाराचा काँग्रेसचे प्रदेशाध्यक्ष लुईझिन फालेरो यांनी तीव्र शब्दात निषेध केलाय। मंगळवारी काँग्रेस भवनात घेतलेल्या पत्रकार परिषदेत ते बोलत होते। यावेळी आमदार विश्वजित राणे ही उपस्थित होते।
The present ruling government is using desperately these tactics of blackmail, intimidation and threats. They had a meeting and the Gundaism, the violence, the threats in a peaceful Congress party meeting is again a manifestation of frustration of the BJP. The defeat is staring at their face. And you see all over this new culture of intolerance, threat, intimidation, and violence.
The whole idea yesterday of the BJP was to disrupt our meeting, which was to be attended by the leader of opposition. Yesterday's meeting, and not only yesterday's meeting, all the meetings in Sattri are widely attended. And all the media knows, media has been reporting on a regular basis. Yesterday also we had a crowd of about 550 people, mostly all women. And suddenly out of nowhere, the instigated group of the BJP suddenly turns up on the stage on the side in spite of police presence and starts stoning the podium and abusive language against the leader of opposition and myself. The issue is political. There's nothing to do with water or electricity, because everybody in Goa knows that Sattri is the only place and only taluka where there is a water treatment plant in every panchayat area. And there is a lot of gambling and drugs going on in Sattri. Recently there was an area which has been raided, and the police at the highest level took action, and they found gambling and actually a casino table in one of those places close to the temple. And they were raided and some people were put behind bars.